All right, I'm showing the last stage of the request here for the approval. What I'm showing here is the 3 seat belts on the rear. We have 1, 2, and 3 working seat belts. And of course, you have the front drivers, which I'm just showing right there, and the other one on the right, which goes right here. Passengers, drivers, and once again, the 3 seat belts in the rear, 1, 2, and 3. And I'll look forward to your approval so I can resume driving. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Bye.